guys, I am going to show you how to tie the square knot. To tie the square knot, you need two different ropes. I have a yellow rope in my right hand and a blue rope in my left hand. To tie the square knot, you want to put the rope that is in your right hand over and under the rope that is in your left hand, like this. Then you want to put the rope that is now in your left hand, which is the yellow rope, over and under the rope that is in your right hand, like this. And then you want to pull, just like this. And here you have your square knot. Let's do that one more time. You have two different color ropes, the yellow one in your right hand and the blue one in your left hand, and you want to take the rope that is in your right hand and go over and under the rope that is in your left hand, like this. Then the yellow rope should be in your left hand. You want to take the rope in your left hand now and put it over and under the rope in your right hand and pull tightly. And here you have the square knot.